Now in this video we want to compare our initial velocity that we found yesterday, or the initial velocity that we found using kinematic equations, with this initial velocity. So this is about error, repeatability, okay? So let's go in here and initial velocity utilizing the kinematic equations. So let's see if that put that in. Oh, nope, it didn't put it in at all. So I'll just put in initial velocity using, and I'll just put KE for kinematic equations. K, you know what, I'll say K dot equations. All right, and this is also going to be in meters per second, so I think I need to specify that as well. So we found this to be 3.15. Okay, so you see that we were pretty close, but now we want to actually compare these two velocities. Okay, and the way we do that, previously we were using percent error. Use percent error when you have a accepted value. In this particular case, there's no accepted value. We just performed two experiments and we're coming up with a number that is very similar. So we want to look at the percent difference between those two numbers, and we're going to use this equation right here. So we have experiment 1 minus experiment 2, the absolute value of that over the average of the experiments times 100. So let's do that. So instead of percent error, again, we're going to use percent difference. Okay, and of course it's going to be dimensionless. So we just say equals to, tap on that. So this is equal to the absolute value, ABS, and you'll see that ABS just comes up. And we want to choose our first number. Let's just choose experiment number 1. And let's tap off here. Minus experiment 2 divided by the average of those. So this is this plus this divided by 2. All right, so that is the average right there. So you'll see that you have the absolute value of both of our experiments divided by the average, and this is our percent difference. So now we just, instead of multiplying it by 100, which is what you normally do, you can do it, but I'm going to use the formatting of Microsoft Excel and just let that be like that. So we have a percent difference of 3.86. It's pretty good. Okay, and I think that was all that we did today. So if it's not, that's all we're going to do.